Cooking gets easier with the right setup at home. Best electric countertop burner options bring fast heating, compact convenience, and reliable performance for dorms, RVs, apartments, and extra kitchen space. This guide covers top picks built for quick meals, precise temperature control, and everyday cooking comfort. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Duxtop 1800 watt electric countertop burner. The Duxtop 1800 watt electric countertop burner stands out as a practical and energy-efficient option for anyone needing a reliable, portable cooking solution. Designed with induction heating technology, this burner delivers fast heating performance while remaining compact enough for apartments, dorm rooms, RVs, and small kitchens. One of the biggest advantages of this model is its lightweight design, making it easy to move, store, and set up whenever extra cooking space is needed. Since it operates on a standard 110/120 volt outlet, there is no complicated installation process involved, which adds convenience for everyday use. The unit also offers an impressive range of cooking flexibility with 20 preset power levels and 20 temperature settings, ranging from 100 degrees Fahrenheit to 460 degrees Fahrenheit. Whether simmering sauces, boiling water, frying, or keeping meals warm, users can easily select the ideal cooking temperature for different dishes. The touch-sensitive LCD control panel responds quickly and gives the cooktop a modern appearance while remaining simple to operate. Safety features also make this burner appealing for families and busy kitchens. The child safety lock prevents accidental settings changes, while the auto pan detection feature automatically shuts the unit off if incompatible cookware is used or if no cookware is detected.
Number 2. ChangBERT 1800 watt electric countertop burner. The ChangBERT 1800 watt electric countertop burner is built for users who want commercial-level durability combined with powerful induction cooking performance. Unlike many lightweight portable burners designed only for occasional household use, this model focuses on continuous operation and high-volume cooking environments. Its heavy-duty construction and NSF certification make it suitable for restaurants, catering operations, food trucks, and home cooks who need reliable, long-term performance. One of the strongest features of this induction burner is its stable power delivery system, which helps maintain consistent heat during extended cooking sessions. The internal cooling system reduces overheating and allows the burner to operate smoothly while keeping noise levels relatively low. This dependable performance becomes especially important during demanding cooking tasks where precise heat consistency matters. The burner offers 9 power levels and 18 temperature settings, ranging from 120 degrees Fahrenheit to 460 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing flexibility for simmering delicate sauces or quickly boiling large pots of water. The enlarged magnetic coil design improves heating efficiency and distributes heat more evenly across cookware surfaces, reducing hot spots and improving cooking results.
Number 3. Cuisinart CB60P1 Electric Countertop Burner. The Cuisinart CB60P1 Electric Countertop Burner provides a simple and dependable cooking solution for households that need additional stovetop space without investing in a full kitchen upgrade. Unlike induction cooktops that require special magnetic cookware, this burner uses traditional heavy-duty cast iron plates, making it compatible with nearly all standard pots and pans. Its dual burner design offers flexibility for preparing multiple dishes simultaneously, making it useful for busy family kitchens, dorm rooms, offices, vacation cabins, and small apartments. The primary burner operates at 1300 watts, while the secondary burner delivers 500 watts, allowing users to handle both high-heat cooking and lower-temperature warming tasks at the same time. One of the strongest aspects of this countertop burner is its straightforward operation. The 2 separate temperature controls allow independent heat adjustments for each burner, giving users more cooking control without unnecessary complexity. The 6-setting adjustable thermostats are easy to understand, making the burner beginner-friendly, while still offering enough versatility for daily meal preparation.
Number 4. Nuwave 1800 watt electric countertop burner. The Nuwave 1800-watt electric countertop burner delivers a modern cooking experience with advanced induction technology and dual-zone flexibility that makes meal preparation faster and more convenient. Designed for users who want precise cooking control and efficient performance, this cooktop stands out for its ability to handle multiple cooking tasks simultaneously without sacrificing heating power. Unlike traditional electric burners that waste heat through exposed surfaces, this induction cooktop transfers energy directly to compatible cookware, improving cooking speed while helping keep the surrounding area cooler and safer. One of the most impressive features of this model is its intelligent dynamic watt technology, which intelligently distributes power between both cooking zones instead of splitting power evenly. This allows one burner to rapidly boil water while the other maintains a gentle simmer, making multitasking far easier during meal preparation. The burner also offers highly accurate temperature control, with settings ranging from 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 575 degrees Fahrenheit in 5-degree increments. This wide range allows users to prepare delicate sauces, melt chocolate, sear steaks, or slowly simmer soups with excellent precision.
Number 5. Empava 120-volt electric countertop burner. The Empava 120-volt electric countertop burner offers a balanced combination of precision cooking, energy efficiency, and durable construction that makes it a strong choice for modern kitchens and compact living spaces. Designed with a sleek ceramic glass surface and advanced cooking controls, this portable burner provides both style and functionality for everyday cooking tasks. One of its standout features is the precise 18-level temperature control system, allowing users to adjust temperatures from 120 degrees Fahrenheit to 460 degrees Fahrenheit in 20-degree increments. This flexibility makes it easy to handle a wide range of cooking methods, from gently melting butter to high-heat frying and boiling. The burner also includes convenient preset functions such as melt, keep warm, and simmer, which simplify cooking tasks that require stable, low-temperature performance. These preset modes help maintain consistent heat without constant adjustments, making the unit especially useful for soups, sauces, and slow-cooked meals. Another major advantage is the extended timer function that supports cooking sessions lasting up to 9 hours and 59 minutes. This feature works well for stews, braised dishes, or recipes that require long cooking times without continuous monitoring.
Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.